If you have invested $1,000 in Bitcoin in 2009 at its all-time high, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin would have been worth more than $50 million US today, not accounting for compounding and assuming you bought and held the asset the entire time. So should you buy Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies today? Hi, this is Cayden from VIA Value Investing Academy. During my previous two videos, I've talked about what is a cryptocurrency, who created the first cryptocurrency, what is a blockchain, and how cryptocurrencies are being created. In this video, I'll talk about why cryptocurrencies are so hot today and should you invest in them? So why are cryptocurrencies such hot investment today? In 2017, a gradual increase in the places where cryptocurrencies could be spent, also known as marketplaces, resulted in more money flowing to the cryptocurrency ecosystem, contributing to its ever-increasing growth in popularity. During this period, the market cap of all cryptocurrencies rose from $11 billion to its current heights of over $1 trillion today. The technology behind cryptocurrencies, which is known as blockchain, has sparked a revolution in the fintech industry. Most recently, the price of cryptocurrencies have been trending upwards, driven by high-profile supporters such as, number one, the Bank of New York Mellon, who had committed to provide custody service for digital assets, citing growing client demands. Number two, MasterCard, who have also said that they will begin to offer support for cryptocurrencies on its network this year. And number three, Elon Musk, who announced that Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and that Tesla will start to accept cryptocurrencies as payments soon. All of these positive news have made cryptocurrencies extremely bullish. So why did Elon Musk buy Bitcoin? The Tesla CEO explained that the inability to receive a decent return on his company cash was the key reason behind the decision to buy $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. If you look at this video, Elon Musk himself said,
Don't go too far on the crypto speculation part.
But he probably did not say another reason, his Twitter effect. He could simply buy Bitcoin, give a tweet, or constantly say something good about Bitcoin so that he could manipulate the rising price of Bitcoin. The next question is, should anyone invest in cryptocurrencies? Before I answer this question, we must first understand that the first priority in investing is managing risk. If we are able to lower our risk, then we are able to increase our returns. Let me share with you some of the risk of investing in cryptocurrencies. Number one, manipulation. As a digital currency, cryptocurrencies are susceptible to technical glitches, human error, or hacking. They can also be affected by discontinuation by the exchanges. Check out how these millions of dollars were lost. If you look at this article titled Quadriga, the cryptocurrency exchange that lost $135 million. When the 30-year-old founder of a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange died suddenly, he took the whereabouts of some Canadian $180 million in cryptocurrency to his grave. Now, tens of thousands of Quadriga customers users are wondering if they will ever see their funds again. Let's look at a second article titled Tokyo-based Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox filed for bankruptcy last week, saying that hackers have stolen an equivalent of $460 million from its online coffers. The news rocked the Bitcoin world and it could even bring down the much-hyped digital currency. Risk number two, high volatility. Cryptocurrencies can potentially give great return, just like any lottery ticket, but alternatively could just as easily go bust as there is no centralized support and is mainly driven by market sentiment. Number three, lack of regulation framework. The fact that it's decentralized also means that there's a high degree of uncertainty, and in the world of cryptocurrencies, it's a huge cowboy town.
And if I don't.
Risk number four, market adoption. the rates of cryptocurrency as a currency for transactions currently remains low. And a lack of standardized regulation means that many countries do not freely accept cryptocurrencies yet. Number 5, security, custody, and consumer rights. Storing cryptocurrencies and other crypto assets can be risky business. Horror stories include situations where investors cannot recover assets that get lost or stolen, as well as investors who find that mistaken transactions cannot be reversed. So should you invest in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies? It's your money, so I shall leave the decision to you. As for me, I'm old school and I still love real money stored in a highly safe and regulated environment. In my next video, I'll talk about why I think the US stock market will crash and how you should be prepared. Remember to click on our subscribe button, like this video, and let us know if there are any investment topics that you want us to talk about. Stay safe in your investment, and I shall see you soon. Goodbye.